I'm going to show you guys how to take apart this door handle. Very simple. You need a T30 and you need one of these guys. Take this guy out. So carefully remove this out of the way. Take your T30. Right here you'll see the screw. Left makes it loose. Don't worry about the bolt, it won't fall out. But you'll feel like you've hit a bottom out, it's just loose. And then if you can't grab this with your fingers, stick the key in there, which I don't have a key to this car, but or this guy, just carefully see how it doesn't want to come out. Usually what I do is I'll give it some pressure. Boom. This guy will come out. And there's a little yellow the little yellow thing down here holding it up. You can see it from here. If you don't want to take the door panel apart, this is what you gotta do. You gotta get this yellow little clip out from here, which this is the cheating way of doing it. If you're gonna paint the car, right here, the rod is stuck in here and through here. I just disconnect it from here. The right way of doing it is pulling the door panel apart, but you don't have to. And then this thing, slide out, slide out. Very simple. Slide it back in. Here's the shitty part. Putting this in after you're done painted the door or something, it's great putting it in. It's easy. You just go ahead and tighten the screw back up. Only problem is you still need to open this door and hook up that clip into that yellow screw in order for the keyhole to work. Without that, the key will not work. I'm opening this right here, just peeling it back ever so slowly. Right inside the door is that rod. Here's that rod, this rod right here. Needs to go back in that yellow little slot right in there, and then this needs to flip over and tighten up to that, like that, in order for the key cylinder to work. So if you want to take the handle off, watch the door panel video, watch the handle video, watch the belt molding video on how to take all that off.